In this video, we'll explore 10 highly effective push-up modifications that can help you increase your upper body mass and define your chest muscles, all from the comfort of your own home. While the classic push-up is a well-known exercise for overall upper body strength, it can become limited over time. Thankfully, there are numerous push-up variations that can target different muscle groups and increase the intensity of your workouts. Number 1. Pike Push-Up. The Pike Push-Up is a fantastic exercise for enhancing shoulder strength and stability. It resembles an intense plank position and can be performed without any equipment. To execute the Pike Push-Up, start in a standard plank position. Form a triangle with your body and lower your head towards the ground while keeping your elbows pointed back. Reverse the motion to complete 1 repetition. This exercise targets the deltoids and is an excellent way to build shoulder muscles at home. Number 2. Archer Push-Up. The Archer Push-Up is an advanced variation that focuses on building strength in one side of the body at a time. It engages the pectoral muscles and challenges your stability. Begin in a high plank position with your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down to one hand and alternate sides for each repetition. This exercise not only helps in chest muscle development, but also enhances your overall upper body strength. Number 3. Wide Hand Push-Up. Also known as the Wide Grip Push-Up, this variation involves placing your hands significantly wider than shoulder width apart. It emphasizes the pectoral muscles while reducing triceps involvement due to its shorter range of motion. Maintain a straight body as you lower and raise yourself in this position. The Wide Hand Push-Up is an excellent choice for sculpting your chest and can be a valuable addition to your home workout routine. Number 4. Standard Push-Up. The classic standard push-up targets multiple muscle groups including the chest, arms, shoulders, abdominals, quads, and glutes. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and perform push-ups while keeping your body straight and your core engaged. This foundational exercise is essential for building overall upper body strength and muscle definition. Number 5. Single Arm Push-Up. The single arm push-up is a challenging variation that builds stability and strength in both the upper body and core. Removing one arm from the equation increases the load on the working arm and reduces your base of support for added difficulty. This exercise not only enhances muscle development but also improves balance and control. Number 6. Superman Push-Up. The Superman Push-Up is an advanced variation that strengthens the chest, shoulders, and core while enhancing overall upper body strength. Begin in a traditional push-up position and extend your arms and legs, holding a Superman-like position for a second before lowering your body back to the starting position. This exercise is an excellent way to challenge your muscles and improve your core stability. Number 7. Shoulder Tap Push-Up. The Shoulder Tap Push-Up is a full-body strength exercise that emphasizes the arms, chest, and core. It requires balance and stability as you tap your shoulders while maintaining a plank position. This variation not only builds muscle, but also enhances coordination and proprioception. Number 8. Diamond Push-Up. The Diamond Push-Up is performed with your hands close together beneath your chest, forming a diamond shape with your fingers. It targets the triceps, chest, and shoulders, making it an excellent triceps-focused exercise. Incorporating diamond push-ups into your routine can help you develop strong and defined triceps. Number 9. Close Grip Push-Up. The Close Grip Push-Up involves placing your hands less than shoulder width apart. This variation intensifies triceps engagement and is an effective alternative to triceps-focused bodyweight exercises. By including close grip push-ups in your routine, you can specifically target your triceps while also working on your chest and shoulders. Number 10. Spider-Man Push-Up. The Spider-Man Push-Up combines the traditional push-up with knee movements that bring your knees forward to touch your elbows. Begin in a high plank position with your hands on the floor directly below your shoulders and your arms straight. As you bend your arms to lower yourself, bend your knees to bring your thigh forward and touch the elbow of the same side. Lower yourself until your elbows are nearly level with your knees, then return to the high plank position, counting 1 repetition for each side. Incorporate these push-up variations into your fitness routine to target different muscle groups, increase intensity, and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember to maintain proper form and gradually progress to more challenging variations as you become stronger.